Rookie move.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the game, we taking shots off the rebound. In my post, this ain't now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. In my post, this ain't now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Sucking on it, we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy. Smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond.
Live right now?
Yeah, we live, man.
Hey, Mike, what's up, man?
Mike, you talking to the viewers?
Okay, start all over. I wasn't ready. Start all over. What's happening, YouTube? I'm here with like Slow Speed, the man Slow Speed, and I guess in this video we're just gonna show you the big boost kit that's supposed to go on my 335, but I decided I'm gonna sell it. The only issue I have with this is that, you know, the catalytic converter thing. I just don't want to deal with the emissions and just having to get a tune that would you know, you pass inspection. I don't want to deal with that. You know, I want to leave my high flow fast speed cat on there, and the pure kit is the one I'm thinking of getting.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. But anyway, this is the kit that Mike had on his.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You want to get pures. You want to give up the big boost for pures. I didn't have that on my car. This is a baby turbo. I had the bigger one on my car.
It's the 3.3 plus kit, so this is supposed to. This is like what Steve from Wedge has on his car. So his car's putting out 740 to the wheels with this kit. Right, so that manifold right there, that's the new revised manifold. They changed the whole manifold. This is, you could either use this for external gated, or you could cap off the external gate, which is on the opposite side, and put this on. And I bought a gasket for it. This gasket doesn't come with the kit. These were revised. This is all new.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I had a problem. I had a problem with certain things on my kit. This right here was a problem.
Yeah, that's
he
the
redid this.
version.
It used to be just this nipple and then holes like this on it.
Correct.
But he revised it. He changed this. He added this. What else? He also.
That's the diverter valve extender.
Yeah, mine was cut and spliced.
Yeah, now you don't have to do that anymore.
This is for the all-wheel drive, correct?
Yeah, this is the X-Drive kit. Basically, I think that's the only
Piece
thing
that
is
will
different.
Go for okay. Because of the mount is a little different.
Correct. And we go over here. This is the one. This is the wastegate actuator you get.
Oh, yeah.
But
yeah, this is the stock one. And they said this one breaks a little bit from time to time.
Yeah,
I got lucky with mine.
Okay, that's the one you get. And I've heard a couple of them broke, but
and this is the one you replaced it with.
Yeah, Jamil out in California with the 650 wheel horsepower.
Big F30,
one,
yeah.
He has this on his, so he upgraded the actuator to that. And then, you know, I also have the Turbo Smart. So yeah, I'm
also this comes with the kit, like you.
Well, I bought that separate, but I could include it with the kit. I just got to think of the price point.
I think it was $250 new.
Well, I mean for the whole kit. You know, that's for the exhaust side of the turbo.
And this didn't come with that.
No, it didn't.
I wish I would have known about these. They don't come with it. And this as well.
Yeah, that's the cap that goes on the other side of.
Okay, in case you want to external wastegate.
Yeah, because this one's set up for internal. Yeah, that allows me to go internal because you see this.
Yeah,
this
gotcha.
right
You cap off the top, yeah.
Right, and that's basically what I did. So.
And it comes with the down plate. It comes with everything, pretty much. Everything that you want.
Okay, this is the full revised kit. Everything has been revised. I think this one's been mopped up, cleaned up, and you know, works well.
But that means nothing. You know why? Because this is now your car. This is now your car right here. This thing is nice, man.
Well, I mean, with Marlon and I talking about it. We're definitely
these wheels on my G20, man.
I mean, this car, you know, got the Pures on it. And
oh yeah, this car done up.
This car is like
fully built.
Everything you can get basically, other than build
stock
the motor.
And stock tranny clutches, right? Or clutches upgraded.
No, he didn't do the DCT. That's right. He didn't upgrade those clutches yet. I mean, the car only has like 22,000 miles on it. He he basically, this is his baby. But as you know, he wants to step up to a CTSV, and you know, my idea is to take this from him. And if I keep my 335, I don't know how that's gonna work. I might have to sell it.
Yeah,
and
I
get
think
myself another vehicle plus keep this. So those are the thoughts that's going on right now.
I think you should. My goal: sell a big boost kit. So those of you who are interested in that kit right here, sell that. Get this. Let me gap you in this with the M340 because it's gonna happen. It just has to happen one day.
Your brothers and your speed.
You can run your high. You can run. You get high. It's gonna happen. No, but
that 340 of yours is impressive.
And sell the 335. 6-speed manual.
Yeah, I love that 335. I'm not gonna lie with that.
These wheels on the G20, I think will look dope.
There's the man right here.
The man, the myth, the legend.
I can smell that E, man. That E smell good, boy.
I did the steering wheel.
I'm a fiend for E85. Huh? Okay, I see it.
Upgraded steering wheel.
Whoo, I love the way that E smell, man. Ain't nothing like it.
Crazy.
Man.
Remember you were mentioning something to me about the oil pressure in your car?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Well, this is what I gotta say.
Thanks.
My mechanic, you know, I had issues with the oil pressure, and I changed 2 of the oil pressure sensors. And you know, I run ethanol in my car. So not only do I run E, but I was running Amsoil 040 Euro. So what seems, or what tends to happen is, the longer you run that oil and you're running E, the ethanol tends to water down the oil. So I kept getting a low oil pressure. I didn't even know that. I changed 2 oil pressure sensors. Nothing was wrong with them. Put in fresh oil. Now I use Motul 550. I don't have the problem anymore. So when you're running E, you have to change the oil very often because it just breaks down the oil, and you lose viscosity, and then you get that oil pressure like what you had in your car. Yeah. So that's just some advice. So I use 550, and I change the oil now like 2,500 miles. I'll change it. I don't care how much it costs. I change it. It's just for my insurance. So just you guys running E, you're gonna have to change your oil often because it thins it out. That's what I found with my car. So
See, look at that. Boom. I almost blew my car up. It took me to find that.
yeah, bro.
So what you got to say, man? You got to put a price on this kit, man.
Well,
Especially since they got the revise and then the extra revise. And I got to get the links for you just in case people already have the kit and they want to get, you know, things like the wastegate, the wastegate arms and the gaskets and stuff like that. I got to put that too below.
I mean, I'd consider letting the kit go with the Turbo Smart, and even though I bought the gaskets and stuff, I'd let the kit go for 2,700 flat.
27 flat?
You want to sell it for? I'll take 27, and if you want to sell it for 32, that's on you. I'll give you that option. I'll give you that option.
Nah, man.
I mean, you could fix this part of the video, but I'm saying I'll give you that option. You know, if you want to sell it for that price, fine. But I'll take 2,700 ship.
Yo, people love the cars. They hate us. So like, you see how I film you?
Yeah.
People not gonna watch that. They gonna watch it with the F80 behind it. You
Oh,
get what
yeah,
I'm
no
saying?
question, man. No
You gotta do your pose with the F80. From BMW F80s to Honda CB300s. Finish out that part of the day. Remember, $2,900 and that big boost kit could be yours. But then again, I almost kind of convinced him not even to sell a kit. So, I don't know. You guys have any type of
or hold on, just hit me up _SlowSpeed my IG. Shoot me a DM, and if the price is right, we'll get rid of that kit, give it to you guys. I got salvage today, get a little bit of riding in.
Talking now that we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time.